So I would like to share a powerful quotation here in the book Counsels for the Church, volume page 67, paragraph 1. It says, "Every day that passes brings us nearer to the end." Every day that passes brings us nearer to the end. Does it brings us also near to God? Every day that passes, it brings us near to the end. Does it really brings us to God, closer to God? Then it says, are we waiting unto prayer? Are you praying? Are you waiting unto prayer? Those with whom we associate day by day need our help and our guidance. You see that those that we are associating day by day, they need our guidance. They need our help. Then it says, they may be in a such condition of mind that while in a season will be sent on by the Holy Spirit as an help in a sure place. It is that those that we are associating with, we should encourage them. We should share some word to them, because it may be that word that you have shared to them, it may help them. The Holy Spirit may convict them and may lead them to convert their souls and to surrender their lives unto Jesus Christ. Then it says, tomorrow some of these souls may be where we can never reach them again. It says, example, today you have associated with some of their friends, you should have shared the word, but if, example, you do not share anything to them, it says tomorrow they may be in a condition where they can never be reached. Then it says, what is our influence over these fellow travelers? What's your influence? What effort do we make to win them to Christ? What effort do we make to Christ? So I beg you to ask yourself these questions. Number one, what's our influence over these fellow travelers? Number two, what effort do we make to win them to Christ?